Hey folks, welcome to the product demo of Buzzle. So in this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like to explore Buzzle as a user, as a viewer. So let's quickly log into the platform, and the first page is a home page where you can see there are multiple events, live events which are happening with respect to multiple domains, with respect to data science, software engineering, finance and investment, and entrepreneurship, blah blah blah. So we are calling these domains as cultures. Why? Because we want to create a culture around different professions and domains. So now let me take you to the cultures page where you can see we have got multiple cultures. Now let's see what it looks like to be inside a culture. So here we have got all the live events which are happening at this current moment within a data science culture. Okay, so now let's go to the rooms page. I'm going to tell you what rooms are, but this is the rooms page. Now let's quickly follow some of the my favorite rooms, some of my favorite creators rooms. I think we're done. So now let's go to home, and now let's see any of the live events. Can you see this? There is something different about this live event because this live event is a collaboration between freecodecamp.org and Geeks for Geeks. So now let's look at this. So the first option we have here is this little raise hand button where you can raise your hand and you can request the creator to speak, and if the creator allows you, you can speak, you can interact via audio. The second option we have is this little camera button, and this camera button is not for you, it's for the creator's video stream. Imagine there is a bandwidth issue at your place and you want to switch off the video, so you can do that as well, and you can purely switch on to the audio stream to save your bandwidth and to save your experience as well. On the left hand side you can see there is a little mini bar, everything's pretty much same. These three avatars showcases that you have joined these three creators room. What rooms are, I'm going to tell you in a minute. And then these are the pretty much same live events recommendations. On the right hand side there is a old traditional typical way to interact with the creator via public chat. So now let's go to the Geeks for Geeks. Okay, so I think I missed one part, which is this cross-exposing UI. Just imagine what a massive opportunity is for the Geeks for Geeks Python, because it being exposed to the 3.1 million followers of freecodecamp.org. So people can directly follow Geeks for Geeks if they like their experience, if they like the content. So now let's go to the Geeks for Geeks profile. And the first thing I would like to show you is these two live events which are happening parallelly. And by the way, this live event is exclusive because you can see this little lock button here. Now the second tab I would like to explore is the upcoming tab, where you can see all the upcoming live events which are being scheduled with respect to Geeks for Geeks Python. So now it's time to explore what rooms are. So now let's join the room, and I'm going to take 10 seconds to explain what rooms are. So because these days people want to create their virtual static community, people create the community on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Slack, on Discord servers. So you see it's pretty challenging to shift the audience from YouTube to Discord or from LinkedIn to WhatsApp group. So that's why we came up with this concept called rooms, where if a creator wants, they can create their own virtual static community. So now quickly explore the rooms. The first room we have is the community space, which is a default room that we have joined. This is a pretty much same, which is the messaging channel. The second option we have is the live event. It means this live event is happening within a room itself. Everything is same. You can raise your hand, you can switch off the video stream to save your bandwidth. Now let's explore the second room, which is the Python bootcamp. So this UI is slightly different. Why? Because this room is exclusive room and you have to pay in order to get an access. So now let's go to the details, and now let me show you how it looks like when we subscribe to a room. But before that, can you look at this free trial option? It means the creator has given you 2 minutes where you can explore this exclusive room for 2 minutes for free. So let's take a free trial, and you can see this clock is started. We have got 2 minutes. The first channel is the communication channel, same, pretty much same. The other options we have are videos, PDFs, reviews, where you can see or experience the exclusive content within an exclusive room itself. The last option we have is called the live. It means this live event is an exclusive live event because it's happening within an exclusive room. And the second thing is that this live event is a collaboration between Geeks for Geeks Python and Programming with Mosh. So say goodbye to Zoom and other apps that people use to collaborate. Now we have got 1 minute 32 seconds left, but I think we can subscribe to this room. So let's subscribe to it, and boom, we're in. Now let's go to live. And the next thing I would like to show you the like this little button where you can which you can see all the rooms we have corresponding to this creators community. while by default we joined the community space, and just now we subscribed, we paid 80 rupees to join Python bootcamp. So these two rooms we have joined. Okay, so now let's get back to the rooms page. Earlier we left without exploring it. So here we are. So now you can see, like, initially we joined freecodecamera.org, Finlet, and NASA's room, and in that process we also joined Geeks for Geeks Python. So once you will visit the rooms page, you can see all the rooms which you have joined, and if you'll scroll down a little bit, you can see the rooms recommendation. Like with respect to domains, like these rooms are recommending with respect to software development, with respect to finance and investment, with respect to data science and AI. So I think that's pretty much about when it comes to experience Buzzle from the viewer's perspective, from the user perspective. Um, Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.